Hello guys, welcome to my new video. This video will show you about excavator, the backbone of modern road construction project. Excavator, the backbone of modern road construction project. Road construction plays a critical role in infrastructure development. Its most modern installation require advanced heavy-duty machinery to ensure efficiency and precision, whether building new highway, widening existing road, or repairing damaged one. Among the heavy equipment used in construction projects, one stands out the most: excavator, the backbone of modern road construction. An excavator is a construction machine designed for digging and moving and other critical tasks involved in modern road construction. It is equipped with a boom, an arm, a hydraulic system, and a bucket. Those components have gone a long way from crude maneuvering, but they still work as follows. The boom connects the machine arm to its body. The arm or dipper allow for reaching different height and depth. The hydraulic system provides power and control. The bucket is an attachment at the end of the arm. Excavator come in different type and size to address specific job requirement. The method is often determined by weight, usually measured in metric ton. There are also different brands such as Caterpillar, Komatsu, and Kato excavator. For excavator service for road construction project involving this remarkable machine in the meantime, the article will let you explore the role excavator play in more than road construction project. This includes their functionality, type, and the specific tasks they perform on construction site. What are the use of excavator in modern road construction? Excavator provide much of the hard muscle needed in road development project. Their versatility contribute to the overall efficiency and progress of modern road construction. Here are some of the critical functions of excavator in road construction. Earthwork and excavator are primarily used for digging and excavating soil, rock, and other material from the ground. They can remove large volume of earth quickly and efficiently, creating a trend or foundation for road construction within minutes. Trenching and drainage. Excavators are used to dig trench for drainage system include stormwater drain, culvert, and underground pipe. They can excavate and shape channel to facilitate proper water flow and prevent flooding or waterlogging issue in road construction. Clearing and grubbing, site worker can use them to clear vegetation, tree, and other obstruction from the construction site. They can remove stump, rock, and debris to prepare the ground for road development and maintenance activity. Grading and leveling equipped with grading attachment such as blade or bucket with grading teeth. The machine can level and grade the road. They can spread and distribute material like soil, gravel, or asphalt evenly, ensuring a smooth and properly aligned road surface. Material handling. Excavator can lift and move heavy material equipped for road construction such as concrete, pipe, precast component, and large construction equipment. They can load and unload material efficiently, improving productivity and reducing manual labor. Demolition in case where existing structure or building need to be demolished to make way for road construction. Excavators are used to tear down and remove debris. They can handle various demolition tasks such as tearing concrete, removing wall, and clearing the site. Utility work. Excavators are involved in installing and maintaining utility alongside roads such as water and sewage pipeline, electrical cable, and telecommunication infrastructure. They can dig trench for utility line and assist in placing and repairing the system. Slope stabilization. Excavator can grade slope and embankment along roads for stability and erosion control. They can shape the terrain, cut and fill slope, and build retaining wall to provide support and prevent soil erosion. Those are some of the primary functions of excavator in modern road construction. Excavators are highly versatile machines that contribute to various stages of the construction process, enhancing efficiency and productivity on strict timetable. Yes, this is the excavator work. What are the different type of excavator and their function? There are several different type of excavator designed for specific application and function in construction project below are some you might want to know and what they can do. 1. Crawler excavator. Crawler are the most common type of excavator used in road construction. Unlike others that run on well, crawler excavator used to caterpillar-like track to move back and forth. The design offers several advantages. Stability. The track under carriage provide stability and traction, allowing the excavator to navigate challenging terrain. Terrain include soft or uneven surface. Maneuverability. The crawler track enable it to move smoothly and precisely in tight space and restrict chop size, allowing it to rotate 360 degrees in place. Traction. The track offer excellent traction, which is particularly beneficial when working on slippery or inclined surface such as a slope or muddy rest. Weight distribution. The track have distributed the machine weight, reducing the ground pressure exerted by the excavator and the risk of sinking into soft ground. However, the caterpillar-like track makes crawler excavator slower and other wells machine. As such, they are commonly used in large-scale construction projects such as road and infrastructure development and mining. Their robust design, stability, and mobility make them essential tool for efficient and productive earth-moving operation. 2. Well excavator. Well excavator are similar to crawler in terms of size and appearance. However, they run on well instead of caterpillar-like track. Hence, the name. This makes them faster and allow them to move easier on asphalt, concrete, and other flat surfaces. Below are some features of the machine. Mobility. Well excavator can travel at higher speed compared to crawler excavator. This makes them highly suitable for projects that require frequent relocation. Maneuverability. With their four-wheel, the excavator offers superb maneuverability, allowing them to navigate tight space and confined work area easily. Versatility. Well excavators are versatile machines suitable for various applications such as digging, trading, loading, material handling, and light demolition. Stability: they may not provide the same level of stability as crawler on roofs or soft terrain, but they exceptionally stable during operation. While scouter may have a limitation when operating in challenging terrain compared to crawler scouter, however, their mobility, maneuverability, versatility, and stability make them valuable assets in many construction projects. 3. Mini excavator. A mini excavator or mini digger is a small excavator designed to perform light moderate excavator tasks. They typically weigh between 1 to 6 metric tons and are known for their compact size and exceptionally maneuverability. Here are some features of mini excavator. Yes, this is the feature. Compactness, versatility, maneuverability, digging power. Yeah, mini excavator are smaller but possess significant digging power, allowing them to excavate soil, dig, drain, and perform other tasks efficiently. Yeah, good. As of transportation, operator control comfort, reduce environmental impact. Very good. Due to their versatility, maneuverability, and compact size, mini excavators are popular choice in a wide range of applications. These include residential construction, landscaping, utility installation, trading, and small-scale road development projects. 4. Long road excavator. As the name implies, long rigged excavator feature a long arm and boom section. They allow the machine to operate and access hard to reach area. This extendable arm can scrape up to 100 feet vertically or horizontally. Aside from extended reach below are some notable features of long rig excavator: increased digging depths, enhanced vertical and horizontal reach, versatility, stability, and balance. Yes. 5. Track line excavator. Wow. Here are some key features and characteristics of direct line excavator: long boom and cable system, large excavator capacity, deep excavation, crawling mechanism, high lifting capacity. Yes, this is the model excavator. What are the common of the excavator attachment? Excavator can be equipped with various attachment to perform a wide range of tasks. Some common ones include the following: bucket, hydraulic breaker, auger, grapple, ripper, tail rotator, compactor. Yes, this is the excavator. Excavator technology advancement in modern road construction, GPS and telematic integration, intelligent machine control, fuel efficiency and emission reduction, enhance operator comfort and safety, attachment versatility. Yes, this is the activity of excavator. Upfront investment. Yeah. This is the processing of excavator. Wow. It's very important. Let to know the GPS and telematic integration. Excavator now integrate GPS and telematic system, allowing for precise positioning, navigation and monitoring of the machine movement. This technology enable operator of work more accurately, follow design plan precisely, and optimize productivity. Yeah. To know about intelligent machine control. Some excavators are smart control systems that use advanced sensor and automation to enhance the machine precision and efficiency. The system enable semi-autonomous or fully autonomous operation, reducing human error. Yeah. To know about fuel efficiency and emission reduction. Manufacturers have made significant strides in improving the fuel efficiency of excavator while reducing emission. Guide technology contribute to a greener or more sustainable construction industry. Enhance operator comfort and safety. Modern excavator feature ergonomics operator cabin with improved visibility, reduce noise, and enhance comfort, thus promote the well-being of the operator and those working in the vicinity. Attachment versatility. Excavator now offer enhanced attachment compatibility, allowing quick and easy interchange ability of various tools. This versatility enable excavator to perform multiple tasks, reducing the need for additional machinery on the construction site. Okay, the advancement in excavator technology have revolutionized road construction project, improving accuracy, productivity, and safety. As it continues to evolve, you may expect further innovation that enhance the cap- capability of the machine, making them even more efficient and effective in road construction application. Okay, thank you very much. See you next video.